Hello, Harrisburg School District parents, guardians, students, and community members. Join us for our spring in-person open house events for the Harrisburg Virtual Learning Academy, known as HVLA and Cougar Academy. It all happens on Wednesday, April 20th from 4:30 p.m. until 6 o'clock p.m. at the Lincoln Administration Building at 1601 State Street in Harrisburg. During the HVLA and Cougar Academy open house event, families will have the best opportunity to explore Harrisburg School District's exciting virtual and cyber-blended learning options for children in grades K through 12. Families will have the opportunity to learn about personalized teaching and learning with your child in mind. Take tours, hear about our learning management system, meet our dynamic teaching team, and enroll for the upcoming school year. Plus, free snacks for all children. We look forward to seeing you on Wednesday, April 20th from 4:30 p.m. until 6 o'clock p.m. at the HVLA and Cougar Academy Open House.